Hello, traders! Another great day for us because I made $5,000 during live trading session, and Pablo made more than $17,000. So, guys, I want to show you what we did today, what was the plan, and also I want to share with you our trades. So, first of all, let's check my trading journal because it's all there. Then I will show you on the platform. Okay, so first of all, let's have a look at trade history from today. I got two trades. I think I should have another one. It's not included. Let's check the platform. Oh, it's not included because it was break even on gold. So basically, three trades. One trade in the morning open on Euro USD that gave me $1,200. Then during afternoon session, I placed the order using order flow on gold. That was minus $1,000, and GBP order flow that gives us nearly $2,000. So you can see $5,000 in total. I want to show you the plan. So give me a second. The plan on Euro USD. You can see it here. I'm think I've got another. Let's go to Trading View. I think I've got it over here as well. Yes, I've got it here. So the plan was to get to the Asian session liquidity, like here. The price got to that area, we can see reaction. Simple trend line, you can see price went through this trend line and we had some imbalance. So I've set pending order at this imbalance with stop loss somewhere around here and 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And this trade worked perfectly, and that gave me more than $4,000 on Euro USD. Next trade, let's have a look. The next trade, gold minus $1,000. This trade here, unfortunately, we got stopped out. That trade was made on 1 minute time frame. I was late with the entry. That's okay. Sometimes it happens. Very risky trade because there was trend line close by. I knew that, I took a risk and I lost $1,000. It's okay. Anyway, we got nice profits today. Another trade, GBP USD, that was the last trade I placed today. The trade was placed on our live trading session using order flow volume footprint. We can see enter to the position and the price went down. I wanted to close it before news, and just before news, 5 minutes before news, I had full take profit. I think you can see closing time 5 to 3, actually 5 to 4 our time. So it was 5 minutes before the news. I wanted to close it anyway, but the price got to this level, so I had full take profit from this trade. So another day, we got some more profits. Yesterday, more than $7,000. 2 days ago, more than $7,000, and today $5,000. So this week is pretty good, I can say. All right, now let's check. Pavel trades yesterday on Bitcoin, and you can see order here placed, and we have result, yes, $1,672 on Bitcoin yesterday during live trading session. We had live trading session late afternoon, and Pavel opened the trade on Bitcoin. Nice plan and nice profit. Next, this is plan from Tomek on Euro USD. Basically it's same plan what I had. So because we are using same strategies, this plan was same, but I've entered the position in a little bit better place because I've set pending order on imbalance. But trade pretty much same as mine. Okay, next one. This is plan from Tomek Euro USD to enter the trade after the price getting to rotation channel from higher time frame, and entry point take profit one, and I think lower should be take profit number two. Next plan during our live trading sessions. This is also from Tomek. Plan on, I think this is Euro USD. I'm pretty sure it looks like it. So he entered the position a bit lower. He got 1-to-1 risk to reward. I was able to get 2-to-1 because I've entered the position right here, and so somewhere around this area I had full take profit 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. But the plan was same. Next trade, this one here you could see already, order flow. That was on British pound. I was using order flow to enter the position. I've entered the position a bit late, but in the right place, and we got full take profit just before news. Next one, trade from Pablo. This one here didn't get to full take profit. Pablo sent us this trade. It didn't get to full take profit. He managed to secure the trade on break even. I think he got a little bit more than $1,000 from this trade, which is, of course, pretty good. But next trade from Pablo, you can see full take profit on $17,000. He entered the trade, and guys, we have it here. Yes, you can see full take profit and $17,000 made during live trading session on 1 minute time frame. It took maybe 6 minutes to get full take profit. Very quick trade. It's more like scalping. And you can see Pablo was using volume AI to enter the position as a confirmation, and very nice profit. What I can say, $17,000 one trade. So huge profit. Okay, what else? This plan, I think I showed you already. Another one. This is Euro USD. Oh, this is my trade. Like I said, depending order was set over here, position activated, and full take profit down the bottom. Another one. Let's have a look. US dollar Swiss franc. Unfortunately, I think Swiss franc went straight up, so we couldn't use that setup. I'm not sure. Let's have a look. USD CHF. No, the price went down, but there was no chance to enter the position because they went too low. That's okay. Nothing happened. Another one, bearish market structure, Euro USD. I think, okay, this is my plan for Euro USD after breakout through the support resistance zone from higher time frame, retest, and to get to the target. The plan, I think it was good. I'm not sure. Let's have a look how it looks like on trading view. Euro USD. Did we get through that area? Let's have a look. Think we went through. No, the price is still in this area. Okay, so we are still in the area of support resistance zone. So we couldn't use that plan. Maybe tomorrow, guys. Maybe tomorrow. It's still valid. If we're gonna break through and retest this area, probably we're gonna enter the position. Another trade, another plan made today. On gold, unfortunately, the price didn't get to that area. This trade was pretty nice, but gold just dropped down, and this trade was 1-to-5 risk to reward ratio, tiny stop loss, and nice profit. But I had to remove that from the chart. So basically, that's how it looks like. All these plans and trades we made today, we use them during live trading sessions, some of them in the morning and the rest on the afternoon session. So guys, another good day, another good profit day. So if you've been on our session, you know how it looks like. So if you've never been to our session, please subscribe the channel and try to join us. We are on YouTube every single day from Monday to Friday. So tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., if you want to see how we trade live and how we make profits, please join us and I will show you how to do it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow at our live trading session. Take care.